wide, telephoto, and macro lens. The smartphone lens Trinity. The primary lens, wide angle, and the aperture. Every smartphone, regardless of price, has a primary camera, which is nearly always a wide-angle lens. This is your default camera, offering a field of view that closely mimics human vision. It's the lens you use for the vast majority of everyday photos, from casual snapshots to general landscapes. Aperture and light gathering. The quality of this lens is often defined by its aperture, indicated by an f number, e.g., f1.8 or f2.4. A smaller number means a larger opening, which allows more light to reach the sensor. A wider aperture is crucial for superior low-light performance and naturally creating a shallow depth of field, where the subject is sharp and the background is softly blurred. The role of the sensor. The primary lens is typically paired with the largest and most advanced sensor on the phone, making it the most capable camera in the system. Any computational features, such as advanced HDR or night mode, are often optimized to deliver the best results using this main lens. Expanding the scene, the ultra-wide lens. The ultra-wide lens is designed to capture a much broader scene than the primary lens, offering a field of view that can often exceed 120 degrees. It allows you to fit more content into a single frame without having to physically step back. Perfect for landscapes and architecture. This lens is indispensable for shooting vast landscapes, impressive architecture, and large group photos in cramped spaces. It creates a sense of drama and scale, making subjects near the edges of the frame appear smaller, which can exaggerate distance and perspective. Dealing with distortion. A key trade-off with the ultra-wide lens is the potential for barrel distortion. This makes straight lines near the edges of the image appear curved or bowed outwards. Most modern smartphone software includes distortion correction algorithms to digitally straighten these lines and produce a more natural result. Zooming in, the telephoto lens. The telephoto lens is the opposite of the ultra-wide. It is designed to optically zoom in on distant subjects, bringing them closer without sacrificing image quality. This is achieved by having a longer focal length than the primary lens. Optical versus digital zoom. The core benefit is optical zoom, often 2x, 3x or 5x, which uses the lens glass to magnify the image before it hits the sensor. This maintains sharpness and detail. Digital zoom, conversely, merely crops and enlarges the image from the primary sensor, which quickly results in a pixelated and blurry photo. A telephoto lens is essential for high-quality portrait photography, as its focal length minimizes facial distortion, producing a more flattering perspective. Tiny worlds, the macro lens. The macro lens is a highly specialized lens designed for extreme close-up photography. It allows the camera to focus on subjects that are incredibly close, often just 2 to 5 centimeters away, capturing intricate details that are invisible to the naked eye. Capturing fine detail. Its purpose is to magnify tiny objects like insects, flower petals, or fabric textures. On many budget and mid-range phones, the macro lens is often a simple, low-resolution camera. However, some flagship phones now offer a telemacro option or use their ultra-wide lens for macro shots, providing higher quality and better resolution for capturing these tiny worlds.